Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today, in this video, we'll explain how to disable Run as Administrator in Windows 10, so programs no longer prompt for administrative permissions every time they open. Step 1. Locate the program you want to modify on your computer. This can be a desktop shortcut, Start menu entry, or the program's .exe file in its installation folder. Step 2. Right-click the program and select Properties from the context menu. Step 3. Click the Compatibility tab at the top of the Properties window. Step 4. Under the Settings section, uncheck the box that says Run this program as an administrator. This stops Windows from automatically asking for administrative privileges when opening the program. Step 5. Click Apply, then click OK to save the changes. Your program will now open normally without requiring admin permissions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more simple and helpful tutorials.